This is Pandit Fakir Yogi Virendra Yogi, adventure rider. I ride almost all the two-wheelers. I am nearing 75, but my youth and energy is never depleted. And latest, I added one of the most powerful machine in the world, and that is Indian G-Wagon, that is called Force Gurkha 2.6 FM. And yesterday I took it to service to Force Motors, Hyderabad, and the workshop manager was so nice, Mr. Naresh, his team, the chief mechanical engineer, Mr. Vijay, and host of other great technical assistants. They were so warm and so nice. They were very honest and very sincere, always respectful, humble and polite, good demeanor. When I was coming, they were all giving me a farewell as if I am Narendra Modi of India, the Prime Minister. That much love and respect for the customers, because I am myself a director of marketing. I know how important it is to be good to your customers. So I wish best of luck to Force Motors hiring such a great people, Mr. Naresh, Mr. Vijay, and host of other great friends, and the cashier and all these kind of assistant who was moving with the work order from one place to another. Everything was great. Particularly Mr. Naresh, who really invited me to the workshop in Tarband. Earlier I had gone to K Motors, this LB Nagar, but this Force Motors Hyderabad is far superior because it's led by the wonderful team. It is not the system, it is not the place, it is not the machines, but it is the people who work for the system. Naresh is a wonderful person, of course. I, being the director of marketing myself for various companies, I have direct link with Force Motors Pune, and these people were very cooperative. Because of their confidence only I bought Force Gurkha. I have other vehicles which are speed vehicles that drive much faster, but this vehicle is not for fast, but being the first in adventure riding, nothing can beat it. Indian G-Wagon, a lot of similarity. Engine also from the same Mercedes 2.6 FM. Rather, all the different machines which are operating in Force Motors, they are having the same engine at different tunings. The latest Force Gurkha has got 240 bhp and 140 bhp and 320 kgm of torque, but mine is little earlier version. It has 90 bhp and 250 enough. I'm not racing, but it is great. Being friend of so many great people and myself a tennis player, you can see the picture, Honorable Manaratna Dr. G.V. Krishna Reddy and host of other players, all the greats from this Hyderabad. So it's a wonderful experience. So thank you, Mr. Naresh. As long as I am here, and I am always riding these Force machines only. I will be always coming to Tarband. I wish you a very long service, because you are really a very, very important person for the company. I being myself, as you told you, directors for different companies, I know the company runs on the integrity, honesty, commitment, dedication, passion, and going extra mile, not for money, working not for money, but for the company's credibility and name and reputation. You guys are keeping the reputation of Force Motors great. Force Motor is not interested too keenly for volumes, but it is focusing on quality. Who can make engines better than Mercedes? This Force Motors Pune based, this kind of factory company, whatever industry they are making for all. They are making for BMW, they are making for Mercedes and all. And beyond that, the good people. Even the call centers boys are so nice. I talked one day at 7:30 p.m. There was one Mr. Aditya, so warm. He asked all details about my vehicle. I talked to another great Babu other day. They are all warm and they keep the record track of my vehicle. They understand what is T07 Jetty 4567. They remember all. Rarely I have seen such a great service. So particularly Mr. Nishan, Mr. Naresh, Mr. Vijay, Mr. Aditya and host of other great friends. It was so exciting and so joyful journey yesterday. I picked up my vehicle. It was so beautiful, clean. It was shining just like it has come from the showroom, because they do not only do the service, they pour their whole love and all kind of skills. Thank you, Mr. Vijay. Thank you, Mr. Naresh. And of course, the great Force Motor company, which is really doing such a great work in off-roading. No vehicle has got so many systems, rarely few will have. If you go to the Force Gurkha, you can find here rear differential locking, front differential locking, two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, four-wheel low drive, so many complicated machines, so many complicated engineering. Thank you, Naresh.